Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to set up Gantt chart in Monday.com for projects. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set up Gantt charts in Monday.com for projects, you need to first of all log in into your Monday.com. Once you have logged in into your Monday.com, you need to make sure that you create a board. So once you create your board, all you can do is simply add necessary columns, option columns, and add Gantt View. You can click on Add View and select Gantt for it. After you have selected Gantt, you can enter details and customize your Gantt chart. You can adjust your settings, grouping, coloring, dependencies, and milestones. You can also add critical path and baseline or display options and filters. So this is how you can set up Gantt charts in Monday.com for projects. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.